Hey guys, this is the Forsythia Bush I was showing you about a week ago. It's in full bloom now, as you can see. Mine, I want to say, is like 7 feet tall, probably about 5 foot wide. They get a lot bigger than that. This one, I wanted to tell you the story about it. I got it. It was a little stick from Lowe's about 7 years ago, and it finally started growing 2 or 3 years ago and was doing good. Then deer came along and thought they needed to use it for marking their territory and took their horns and ripped it all to pieces. Not once, but twice this has happened in the last couple of years. So the poor bush has suffered several times. That's why some spots are so much shorter than other spots. But it's doing great now, and just goes to show you not to give up on those little lonely sticks that you get from Lowe's, because they do turn into nice, pretty bushes eventually.